Rainey Ferguson. I'm from Carson, Washington.
Okay. What's it like? What's it like driving a big truck up and down these roads?
It's a lot of responsibility. You don't have much time to think about anything else but the truck and your duties. You know, you can't have headspace for anything else because you can really mess up. You can hit a ditch, you can flip it. Lots of people turn tenders over, so you definitely don't want to do that.
And this is a pretty steep switchbacky road. Right?
Very switchbacky. Once we get up here, we got about 6 switchbacks, and I'm really looking forward to experiencing that. On this fire, I'm just doing road work with the grader and supporting him, making sure that he doesn't get dusted out, he has enough water. If you don't have enough water on these roads, you can't really dig down and get a clean ride. And when you're running up and down these roads in an emergency, you gotta have some good roads. It's just a basic Type 2 tender. It's got 50,000 gallons in it. It's got sprayers.
And how many times a day would you say you go up and down that road?
Quite a bit. We could do 10, I'm gonna guesstimate, maybe 15. It's my first road on this one, so.
So it'd be 10 round trip up and down.
Yeah, but the farther away you get, the longer the route, so sometimes it takes longer.
What are some of the things you get to see out here? What are some of the highlights?
Just watching everybody work as a team is amazing, for real. There's nothing like seeing people come together. Like if I break down or something happens to me, I have other tenders that come right to my side and help me. I see all the hand crews, and they just work together so well, and everybody's here for the same goal, and it's to protect the environment.
Put out the fire.
Yeah, yep, put out that fire. I like the helicopters, they're pretty cool to watch. I love my job.